You know, people keep asking me for a coffee solution without plastic and without aluminum, so here we go, Bialetti Venus.
So this is the new Bialetti Venus coffee maker. This is what they call the Moka pot, and this has two big advantages over their previous one, which is aluminum. So this one right here is stainless steel. It's a nice 18 by 10 stainless steel, and it's made out of all metal except for the handle here, which is plastic, and you want to keep that off to the side, make sure that doesn't get too much heat. And there's a gasket in there that is made out of silicone. And I think the reason that people would like to choose this one over other Moka pots is that this is made out of stainless steel, so people can avoid aluminum, and it's also very quiet. Now this is the 6-cup variant, which means you should get 6 espresso cups out of it. I actually get 3 full espresso cups. So they're actually 3 doubles, which would be 6 small single cups, but I prefer doubles. So that's what mine looks like right there that I just made. And what you end up with is a very strong, intense, and flavorful coffee. It's not exactly espresso, it's missing that crema, but it's very strong. It's gonna get you up in the morning. It's easy to do. It takes about 5 minutes to brew, and all you gotta do is fill up the canister here up until that valve there with water, plop the basket in there, put in about 25 grams or nearly 1 ounce of powder, screw it tight, but make sure that there's no grounds on the rim first, and then put it on a heat so that the heat doesn't go outside here of the bottom rim of the cooker, of the Moka pot, and you're good to go. Then you just wait for it to brew, and at the end, you got 6 singles or 3 double espresso cups of tasty, intense coffee. All right, I hope that you guys like this video. And until next time, I say happy coffee drinking and happy espresso drinking. Bye now.